Lesson 10 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet introduces G minor, the relative minor of B flat major. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It's important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. The worksheet provides an important exercise and the next practice plan. If you have completed Lesson 9 thoroughly, Lesson 10 should not present too much of a challenge. The main areas of finger coordination to work through are around both fingerings for E flat, which will this time be followed by F sharp. Exercise 13 will help with what can initially feel like some rather odd coordinations. There is an alternative fingering which can be used in the scales of B flat major and G minor, which is accessed by the fourth finger of the left hand. It is a perfectly legitimate fingering. The key has been added for this purpose, but many players never use it, as there are so many instances where it simply cannot be used. For example, at the top of the arpeggio of B flat major, where the left hand fourth finger cannot move smoothly from the hole to the key. And the right hand side key is just as easy to use once you have got used to it. Like B flat major, G minor is a flat break pattern scale, crossing the break from B flat to right hand C. Here is the scale of G minor for 2 octaves. And here's the arpeggio of G minor for 2 octaves. Be sure to complete practice plan 10 thoroughly and tick the boxes before moving on to lesson 11.